Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to blend text and image prompts in Ideogram AI. Let's get started. First, open Ideogram AI and log into your account. Then here in the dashboard, you'll see a variety of images created by other users. Scroll down and explore until you find one that inspires you. Now tap the image that you like and then click Remix. Here you can edit the prompt to blend your own text with existing image concept. Then, after typing your idea, you can now hit generate and wait for a few seconds and Ideogram will create a new design combining both the image style and your custom text. You can now download, share, or remix it again until you're happy with the final look. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.